annual income tax return, pwede po bang bayaran ng installment? The answer is yes. Nasa tax code po natin yan. Para sa individual po like freelancer, basta nag-exceed po ng 2,000 ang ating tax payable sa annual income tax return natin, pwede po nating bayaran ng 2 equal installments. So 50% din po yung kailangan nating bayaran sa first installment. And then yung final payment, dahil 2 equal installment lang naman, ay dapat mabayaran po natin on or before October 15. So ako personally, hindi ko nire-recommend ito, pang ano lang ito, emergency lang, pag talagang kinulang yung budget, pangbayad ng annual ITR natin. For example po, yung annual income tax return for the year 2025, yan po yung upcoming deadline natin. Ang start of filing po is January 1, 2026 at ang deadline is on April 15, 2026. So makikita po natin, mahaba po yung deadline. More than 3 months siya. So mapaghahandaan naman po natin yung pagbayad ng ating annual ITR. Ang isa pa pong dapat nating i-consider yung current year. Quarterly po ang pag-file natin ng ITR. This October, magpa-file ka na po niyan ng current third quarter ITR mo. So magpapang-abot sila if ever. Pero nakalagay naman dyan on or before. Pero syempre, possible po na magka-problema ka dyan sa budgeting dahil hinati mo yung payment mo ng annual ITR. So again, for emergency purposes lang pong installment na to. Pati po yung pag-file medyo tedious. Yung pagbayad po natin ng second installment, ang gagamitin po natin ay BIR Form 0605, yung BIR payment form para ma-remit yung second installment. So ayun, magpa-file ka ulit ng another BIR form, tapos magbabayad ka ulit. Nagiging doble yung work niya. So ayun po, reminder lang, pag may budget naman, full payment na po tayo. Emergency purposes only tayo mag-installment dahil mas tedious siya at pwedeng magka-problema rin po tayo sa budget natin for the current tax naman natin. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GE Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Kapag may question ka regarding freelancer BIR registration at ITR filing, i-comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.